Hey to everybody on YouTube. So thanks for joining and tuning in to my unboxing video. So this is from COCOBURRY. I would like to say that I'm official partner of COCOBURRY / influencer. So I'm gonna show you the product that I bought. So right here. And I will get exclusive. Anything exclusive, I will know. But first off, I'm gonna show y'all this. So this is the jogger set. I didn't get the hoodie yet, but this is sky blue. So it's made out of 100% cotton. Like when I say this is comfortable, like you should want your own pair. So these are sweatpants. Also they have hoodies. They have shorts. So for men and women, it don't matter what gender you are. But if you want to order this, go to my link that's under my YouTube description. Make sure to click it. You'll get a discount. And if you will, can you tag me? And also, I will tag COCOBURRY in my video. So like I said, you can scan the QR code. But I'll receive releases from them, from COCOBURRY. And yeah, so I am the official model / influencer for COCOBURRY. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram at Tiffany Timms Official, TikTok at realmisstip_, and make sure y'all give me a thumbs up on this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, share, and comment.